Hey, beautiful.
I was looking for you.
I went to escort you, my friend.
How do I do?
You look, amazing, good looking, gorgeously, attractive, nine fine. Excellent. Super duper. You're gonna kill me. You kill me baby every day, you kill me every second, you kill me every minute, you kill me every day.
Maybe you know what? Oh. I'm going to the market to get stuff.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know, I have a name for you, right?
What's it?
I'm not going to call you best of the time.
Baby, you're funny.
Yeah, sure, because like your mom is no more there and then you are replacing mom. So you're best of the mom.
Okay.
It meant, okay, and then if you listen to me, I prepare Sunday, 3 on, you know 3 on.
Yeah.
You know 3 on.
We are not the you got to this.
Okay, went to that's my baby, yeah. Alright. It meant, okay. 458 at least, you know, 3 then, you know, you're back.
Okay, baby.
Oh! Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Bumbo, clatter, bumbo. You're fine, babe. Hey, I swear. Alright, don't keep long. Hey, Ft.Gynel.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too. Many happy things. Please, I wanted to charge my phone. You know, I have light out.
Light out?
Yeah.
Quickly finish our light. How many lights?
Yeah, sorry, my prepaid got finished.
Yes.
You know, yeah. So I would want to.
Don't worry. Feel free. Like you know, come inside.
I should come inside.
Yeah, come inside.
Sorry. Is your wife around?
No, not really. She's knowing.
She's not around.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Feel free, come inside.
I just wanted to know, you know, ladies, we are somewhere.
Come on. Feel free, come on. Feel free, like you know, you can go and charge your phone over there, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you said you can charge here?
Yeah. Use the other side. Feel free, okay? John Dramani.
Okay, you know him?
What?
You know him?
Like seriously, are you kidding me?
Why?
You don't know your president? John Dramani, yeah, John Dramani, I'm talking about president here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So I should charge?
Sure. Feel free.
Okay. Please, where should I put my phone?
Is that?
Where to put the phone?
Oh, feel free.
I'm
like,
charging.
You know, connect to the main plug, you know.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Make sure like it's charging, okay?
Yeah, it's charging now. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are they having the program at?
How do you call it? The Independence Square.
Oh, Independence Square.
You know,
what
this
is
guy
located?
gave us. What?
Independence Square. Where
Yeah, Accra, of course.
Accra,
Yeah.
Ghana. Okay, Accra. I see.
But like joke, this guy gave us.
Oh, okay.
But like joke, this guy as well gave us. See how the chairman, why?
Oh. Wow.
The general.
I think they are all beautiful and handsome.
Yeah, sure.
The woman there, is she not Catherine or Madam Catherine, the one?
Yeah, Miss Catherine. Yes.
Miss Catherine.
Minister of Interior.
Interior,
yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm really enjoying it. It's nice.
Yeah, I'm also enjoying it. Same.
Really?
Yeah.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah.
Let me stand for you. Take it from there.
Is it?
Let's take it from here.
I'm coming to Ooh.
Okay. So. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. Sorry. Oh, this is my favorite honey. My measuring.
You need something.
You like it?
I really like it.
Okay. It smells good, you know.
Oh yeah, sure.
So.
I'm going to get elected right now.
Oh really?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, take it easy. So what should I do?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's okay. Then take me with you.
Take the lead, ladies.
Well, are you okay?
I'm very okay.
You're okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I should go straight.
Yeah, you take the lead first.
Okay, no problem. I'm waiting.
I'm coming, baby. This is quickie wife, you know, day, my young I'm coming!
Okay.
But like, seriously, I always do there. I thought my wife was, you know, the sweetest girl ever.
Get about here.
But you know something like, you know, let this be between me and you. You're gonna be my secret lover, okay?
Oh yeah.
She's in. My wife is here.
Why should I go to market without taking money or without having money on me? Huh? I want some back crying.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, neighbor.
Yeah,
Hi. I'm fine, thank you.
What do you want? You do something.
No, actually, I had my prepaid got finished, so I came to charge my phone. Please.
Where is my husband?
Your husband, I think.
Baby! Baby, what's going on here?
Hello.
Sorry for that attitude.
Oh, that's fine.
I hope you are doing.
I'm very fine.
Why you're prepared finish?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been ordering for both, but it's still delayed. So since my battery was running down, I just thought of coming to you guys.
Oh, no problem.
I'm even sure by now it's full. So let me check.
Okay.
Thank you, madam. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let me see what. Okay. Yeah, I'm going. Thank you very much, madam.
You're welcome. Hey, already. Me soon free me. Hey. Thank God for giving me this precious and honest man. Hey. Me am me. How be charge your phone cry tadi shower sade. Ke be me bi anka wo woni the throne me. Oh boozy.